Hey guys, it's Joshua McClancy here, and today I've got something to tell you. The fire alarms? I heard them go off from my room. Yep. You see this? The fire alarms actually went off at my home for the very first time. This, by the way, is a 7002T from Wheelock. And I'm pretty sure it's going to go off any minute. Again. This right here is a Firelight BG10. I don't know what's causing the fire alarms to go off. Either somebody pulled it or it's just a test. Come on, fire alarms. Let's go downstairs to see if a fire alarm has been pulled. Nope, not on this side. Not over here either. Nope, that one hasn't been pulled either. Excuse me, sir. Look at this. Look at this. One of the fire alarm pull stations has been opened. Look at this. Can you believe it? Oh my goodness. Whoever opened this thing needs to fix it because look at the hex lock. It disappeared. That's kind of pathetic if you ask me. That's probably what's making all of these fire alarms go off. Hotel front desk, fix your fire alarms. That's it.